Here's a quick unboxing of the Enigma V8 3-in-1 cordless upright handheld stick vacuum, which also has no wire, compact battery. You can use it on the floor, carpet, get pet hair in your car, your chair, whatever. Here are all the parts that you get within it. This is the actual vacuum itself. Very light. You can attach all the different attachments to it. They all connect. There's lights here so you can see where the dirt is. This is the power. You can get this on Amazon for Australian dollar $128. And yeah, here's the cords. There's a link down below in the comments if you want to check it out. I will be using this to clean our carpets, the car, and also our sofas, because there's a lot of breadcrumbs and little tiny things that our children leave behind. So this will be very helpful for that. See, check it out. Cleans the floor. Boom. Here's more. You know what? It just does the job. So yeah, check it out. Amazon, link below. See ya.